Welcome to a 60-second culinary adventure. Today, we're diving into the art of preparing oven-baked whole yellowtail snapper. Imagine a whole yellowtail snapper, scaled, gutted, cleaned, and ready to be transformed into a mouthwatering meal. We're going to add some flavor with 2 to 3 thinly sliced garlic cloves, a lemon, fresh herbs like thyme, rosemary, or parsley, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Score the fish on both sides for even cooking and better seasoning absorption. Stuff the fish with your lemon slices, garlic, and herbs, and drizzle it with olive oil. Bake it in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes until it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit at its thickest part. And there's an optional step for the crispy skin lovers. Broil the fish for a few minutes, but keep a sharp eye on it. Serve your oven-baked yellowtail snapper, garnished with fresh herbs and your choice of side dishes. Enjoy this delightful dish that lets the natural flavors of the fish truly shine, enhanced by the added herbs and lemon. And that's it. A simple yet delicious whole yellowtail snapper recipe in just 60 seconds. Bon appetit!